It's as far removed from the clinical confines of a health centre as you could imagine. In the heart of a Croydon shopping mall, this is the ultimate example of retail therapy.
We're here in Central Shopping Centre in Croydon, mainly because 240,000 people come through every week. And what we wanted to do is take the message out to them. If we want people talking about cancer, we want to do it on their terms, where they feel comfortable and where it's convenient for them.
1 out of 5 people in London will be diagnosed with cancer at some point in their lifetimes. The good news is that survival rates have doubled in the last 40 years. The bad news is that 25% of patients only get their diagnosis when they end up in A&E.
And that's the driving force behind the Get to Know Cancer shop, to help guide people towards much earlier diagnosis.
Well, we're hoping that we can encourage the Croydon residents to come in and to talk to us about any concerns they might have about cancer or just about symptoms they're having. Survival rates for cancer have doubled in the last 40 years, and if we could get people to understand that going to the doctor quickly will increase their chance of survival, then hopefully we'll be able to improve those statistics further.
Laurel Johnson from Balham survived cancer of the esophagus. She's now one of the faces of the Get to Know Cancer campaign.
The perception of cancer with a lot of people is the fear of dying, the unknown, and therefore instead of going to get themselves checked, they are so scared of what the GP might say, they do nothing at all. This place is here to evaluate that myth. Cancer is not the end of life, it could be the beginning of new life, because it's treatable, it's beatable, and I'm living proof.
This morning, just a handful of curious shoppers crossed the threshold. It's hoped more will follow.
What we wanted to do is surprise people with it a little bit, make it bright and friendly and inviting, and make them feel comfortable with cancer, and make it really easy for them to access. They may walk past once or twice, but maybe on the third time they'll pop in and say hello to some of our activists and nurses and get to know more about cancer.
This then, a new concept for a shopping centre and a new line in Store Detectives. Piers Hopkirk, London Tonight, Croydon.